HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Let's make a star today. Let's start by making the shape of a star. Make two big cute eyes for our star and a smile. Wouldn't it be awesome to make some friends for our star? Let's do it! Drawing is so much fun. Let's make our star a shooting star. Let's give an outline to our bright stars. Now, time for some magic. Let's paint it. Here comes our paint. Color the star neon yellow. Ooh, it looks so good. We all like stars, don't we? They shine so bright. I like looking at them from my window. Be careful when painting around the eyes. Just keep painting. We're almost done. Let's paint the other stars yellow as well. Let's paint the trail of the shooting star. First, we'll start with the color yellow. A little red for the line next to it. We're very close. Don't give up. Now let's paint the last two lines with a bit of green. And a bit of purple. Yay! We're done! Our shooting star is ready to shine.